In this video, let's learn how to color a fill and a stroke to an object. So previous sessions we have known how to create the objects. Now for the created objects, we should know how to apply the color to a fill or to a border, which is also known as stroke. Now to apply colors to the fill and stroke is the same procedure, but the name itself differs. The fill and stroke are different names, but applying the color procedure is the same. So let us see how to apply the color for the fill and also to the stroke practically. Now in this, let us see the practical working of coloring fill and stroke of an object. To know that, let us create an object in the page, and then now here you have an object which is not having any color. So to apply the color, first let us know about these two. Here whatever the block that we are able to see, which is called as a stroke, and then the behind one is fill. Once if the fill is there with a none icon, that means the fill color is not available inside the object. So till now we have been using only the black color. So to color this object, it is very easy. Double click on this fill option and you can choose whatever the color that you wanted to apply. Just select the color and here you have the color slider to pick up. So just take any of the color, pick any of the color, click OK, and you can see that the color can be applied as a fill to an object. Similarly, you can change the stroke color as well. So first create the object and here you have the object without any fill, and now we can see that it is having only the default stroke color as black. So clicking on it and again double clicking on it, you can choose any of the stroke color. So let's say I would like to choose the red color and click OK. Once if you select the selection tool and click it outside, you can see that the selections are gone. You can see the fill color, but the stroke color is not visible for the second object. To view it properly, press W in the keyboard and you can see the original colors. The first one which is filled up with the blue color and the second one is filled up with the red color in the stroke. So that's it about this coloring of fill and stroke of an object. That's it about this video.